Hello guys, this is Ronnie from Shanghai BDCOM. Today I'll be showing how you can off your sound, alarm sound in BDCOM NMS. This is BDCOM NMS, you can see. There are lots of alarm each and every time and there is sound with each alarm. So sometimes this is annoying for you. You don't need to really sound in your NMS server because it's a generating sound each and every time. So how you can change your sound or you can off your sound. So let's see. First of all, you have to go to fault management and fault maintenance. From fault management and fault maintenance. Then from fault maintenance, trap level. Trap level. You can go to trap level and you can see the audio. Here is the audio. What type of audio? You can change also the color. Trap color here. And in right side, you can see the operations. In operations here, if you can click in here, you can see the audio, major voice. You can change these at the default voice. You can change it to none. If you change none, there will be no voice. And also you can change your sound, audio sound by yourself. Maybe there is a customized sound. You can add your customized sound also. Okay, from here. So clear voice, which one is which one you want to click, which one you want to choose. You can choose here. This is a sound, but default sound. And you may also click none. There will be no color, there will be no sound. You can also change the color. You can change the color. You said that no, there will be critical will be red, or purple or whatever. You can change your color yourself. From here you can change your color also. Okay, so I am doing none. Save. Okay, here you can see audio none. Here I can see, click here, none. So I'll off all the sound. So by this way you will be able to off your sound of the critical alarm or any alarm, so that there will be no annoying for you for each and every alarm. There will be alarm, generating alarm, everything pop-up will be there and everything will be there except there will be no sound. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.